Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to verify your card in IQ option platform. Okay, this is required because if you deposit using any of your card, then you need to verify your card details must be to withdraw money from IQ option account. Okay, so maybe you have created an IQ option account already and you are trading, so you are trying to withdraw your money, and that's why you are watching this video. uh, Please check the description of my video. If you have any query about card verification, I have posted the link of my previous video where I have shown how to prepare your card to submit. Okay, and if you click withdrawal options from your account tab, you will see some options here. Let's say I will try to withdraw from Skrill. I will try to withdraw by Skrill. Okay, so it's asking for card verification. I will now click verify. And click verify here. I will upload my file. Okay, I'm gonna blur some information just for my security purposes. There you go. Click open. The images, your images are being uploaded. Please wait. Okay, it's already uploaded. Click continue. There you go. It's now awaiting verification, and I will get an update by my email. So I just need to keep checking my email again and again. Maybe it takes maximum 2 to 4 days maybe, and sometimes it takes a bit higher time, but I will get an email confirming that my card has been verified. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest updates of binary options trading and forex trading and digital options trading and many more updates. Have a great day, guys. Bye.